Greetings, plant enthusiasts. Today we're stepping into the enchanting world of Calathea Dottie, a striking member of the Calathea family with a story deeply rooted in tropical landscapes. Originating from the jungles of South America, this plant is renowned for its captivating foliage. Calathea Dottie earned its name from the mesmerizing dark purple hues that adorn its leaves. This tropical beauty features oval-shaped leaves with a rich dark purple hue and contrasting pink stripes. The vibrant colors and intricate patterns make Calathea Dottie a visually striking addition to any indoor oasis, earning its place as a favorite among plant enthusiasts. To thrive, Calathea Dottie prefers well-draining soil, indirect light, and consistent moisture. It's well suited for indoor cultivation, making it a perfect choice for homes and offices. Maintaining a humid environment and avoiding direct sunlight contribute to its overall health. For companion planting, consider pairing Calathea Dottie with other humidity-loving plants, such as ferns or orchids. This creates a lush, tropical atmosphere and enhances the overall aesthetic appeal of your indoor jungle. Primarily grown for its ornamental value, Calathea Dottie also contributes to indoor air quality by filtering pollutants. Its vibrant foliage makes it an ideal choice for decorative containers or as a focal point in your indoor garden green space. Its unique coloration and intricate patterns and ease of care make it a cherished choice among plant enthusiasts. If you found this exploration intriguing, remember to give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of plants. Until next time, may your indoor garden thrive and may Calathea Dottie bring a burst of color to your botanical journey. Farewell and happy gardening.